Here's the solution to question 2 of homework 9. From the question 2, we have to solve 4 problems. Let's begin. The first problem is drawing a cup of samples. Look at this one. This is the sample of xt, and then let's begin. The second question is finding the probability of xt equals to 1. And from the title we know that if n is odd in 0 to t, xt equals to 1, and if n is even, xt equals to minus 1. So the probability of xt equals to 1 equals to the probability of n is odd in from 0 to t. And we can get this result, and this result equals to this one, and this result equals to e minus lambda t sin lambda t. And then the third question is finding the mean of xt, and the mean of xt, to find the mean of xt, we should have to find the probability of xt equals to minus 1. So this is the probability of xt equals to minus 1, and equals to the probability of n is even in from 0 to t. And then we can get this result. Then we can get the final result is e minus lambda t cos lambda t. So the mean of xt equals to 1 times the probability of xt equals to 1, plus minus 1 times the probability of xt equals to minus 1. So we can get this equation, and we know that sin lambda t minus we know that cos lambda t minus sin lambda t equals to e minus lambda t. So we can get the final result is minus e minus 2 lambda t. And then let's begin the final question is the autocorrelation of x. For t1 is larger than or equal to t2, we can get the autocorrelation x equals to the mean of xt1 times xt2. And we can note that this equation equals to 1 times the probability of xt1 times xt2 equals to 1, and plus minus 1 times the probability of xt1 times xt2 equals to minus 1. And this probability equals to the probability of k. We know that is n is odd in from t1 to t2, and this probability equals to the n is even in from t1 to t2. And from the above results, we can note that this probability equals to this equation, and this probability equals to this equation. So we can get the final result is minus e minus 2 lambda t1 minus t2. And for t1 is smaller than t2. At the same way, we can get the result is minus e minus t 2 lambda t2 minus t1. So above all, we can get the final result is is this equation. That's all. Thank you.